Hi everyone! Today, we're going to show you how to draw a wrestling ring, step by step. Step 1. Draw the platform. First, lightly sketch a large rectangle or square shape for the central platform. Texture it to look like foam mats or wood boards. Step 2. Draw the corner bars. Add small circles at each corner connected by lines for the vertical support posts. Taper the lines to show depth. Before we continue, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest video tutorials. Also, check out the description section to learn about our products and services. Now, let's move on to Step 3. Draw the rope pads. Outside each corner circle, draw larger concentric circles for the padded covers protecting the ropes. Keep sizes consistent. Step 4. Draw the ropes. Connect the stacked circles across corners with angled straight lines for the ring ropes, defining the central fighting space. Taking your drawing to the next level, adding color. Use grays and metallics for realism or neon rainbows for cosmic realms. There you have it. Your own wrestling ring drawing. Let us know in the comments section what you want to see drawn next. And be sure to check the description for more information. Thanks for joining us today, and see you in our next drawing tutorial.